Keto diet macros, how to calculate yours. Calculate your ideal macro ratios when following the keto diet. Now what? Sticking to a keto diet is challenging. Without some serious preparation, every meal can be a challenge. You will get tired of Googling, is this food keto friendly? Using a food delivery or meal plan service will give you the best chance of success. Diet to Go. Their meal delivery service is a 5-week rotating menu that will send breakfasts, lunches, and dinners to your home or office. See more. Healthful Pursuit. Healthful Pursuit will create customized keto meal plans. You still to buy the ingredients and do the cooking, but the planning is already done for you. See more. About the keto diet. The ketogenic diet has been around for decades, but has been surging in popularity. Note that long-term, flexible dieting, eating normal levels of carbs, proteins, and fats, is just as good at helping you reach your weight loss and fitness goals as a keto diet. It could be argued that flexible dieting is better as it is less restrictive and more sustainable. However, a keto diet may be appropriate for someone looking for faster initial results. Those training for fitness competitions. Those trying to lose weight for an event but have a shorter time window. Those who have tried flexible dieting but because of metabolic issues are unable to lose weight eating normal levels of carbohydrates. What is a keto diet? The keto diet was first developed for use by those with epilepsy. It later became popular among bodybuilders to cut fat before competitions. It will cause your body to burn nothing but fat for energy instead of using glucose, carbohydrates. A person achieves this by greatly limiting carbs and eating more fat. In the absence of carbs, the body will begin converting both dietary fat and body fat into ketones, which are then used by the cells of your body for energy. It's important to understand that a calorie deficit is still required for fat loss to happen. Keto macro calculation. To calculate your keto diet macros, you must establish your estimated TDEE, total daily energy expenditure. Set a calorie deficit. Before you calculate your keto macros, you must start by creating a calorie deficit. 20% is a pretty safe starting point, the lose weight setting. Our calculator also has a lose 10% setting for more sustainable fat loss. How many carbs? The keto diet isn't carb-free but just really low in carbs. Just 5% of your total daily calories should be in the form of carbs. For most people this is 20 to 30 grams of carbohydrate per day. How much protein? Some people on a keto diet make the mistake of consuming too much protein. Your body can also convert protein to energy for the body. Eating more than is needed for muscle repair and preservation will cause your body to do this. The goal is to burn body fat for extra energy, not extra protein. No more than 0.8 grams per pound of body weight should be consumed while on a keto diet. The calculator default is set at 0.7 grams per pound. The rest is fat. The rest of your remaining calories should come from fat. Example, a moderately active woman who is 30 years old, 5 feet 5 inches, and 180 pounds would have a weight loss TDEE of 1,908 calories. Here are her keto macros. Protein, 126 grams, 27%, fat, 145 grams, 69% carbs, 24 grams, 5% keto foods. High-fat foods. Here are some foods that will help you reach your keto macros. Avocado, ground flax seed, coconut oil, olive oil, grass-fed butter, dark meat, chicken, eggs, steak, nuts. Watch the carbs. Seeds, watch the carbs. Peanut butter, almond butter, leafy greens and other low-carb veggies like cucumber, celery, broccoli, cauliflower, sprouts, etc. Looking for keto food ideas? It can be tricky trying to eat keto, and you will need some help. See the extensive cookbook downloads at Trilocarb. For meal plans, we suggest Healthful Pursuit. Delivered meals. The South Beach Diet are now doing keto, see more here. How much fiber? You still should consume green leafy and other low-carb veggies while on the keto diet, but some people may need to consume fiber supplements in order to be in the optimal fiber range for your body. Psyllium husks are a good natural fiber choice if you feel you aren't getting enough. Tests for ketosis. Luckily, you don't have to guess whether or not your body is in ketosis. There are several over-the-counter testing methods to determine your ketosis status. Urine keto test strips blood ketone testers. You want to be in the range of 0.5 to 3.0 for blood ketones with the optimal fat-burning target of 2.0. Problems with ketogenic diets. There can be a pretty intense adjustment period when starting a ketogenic diet. While adjusting to ketosis, many report the following symptoms. Brain fog. Your brain loves glucose and consumes a lot of it. While it's adjusting to ketones, you may feel pretty spacey and out of it. Lack of energy. Feeling tired and lethargic is another symptom of the adjustment to using fat for energy instead of sugar. Lack of strength during workouts. Without carbs quickly replenishing your muscles' glycogen supplies, your muscles will tire out more quickly. Cravings. Again, your brain will not be happy and will want you to eat carbs. Be prepared for some intense cravings when you first start. Note, since keto dieting is restrictive, it's a good idea to consult with your doctor before starting. Your doctor may want to do a fasting blood test to make sure there aren't any blood sugar issues that could make doing keto dangerous for your health. Ketogenic dieting has been shown to reverse type 2 diabetes in some individuals. Cubed. How long should I keto? Since keto dieting is a short-term solution when used for fat loss, it really should be used for only about a month or 2 months max. Some advocates of keto dieting say people should eat this way for life, but we don't see that as a realistic way to eat long-term. Besides, life is far too short to never enjoy cake, pizza, cookies, and a nice glass of wine. Moderation and balance always win over restriction. Transitioning from the keto diet, you should then transition to a normalized set of macros. While keto dieting can be good for short-term fat loss, it's important that it not brainwash you into thinking that certain foods or macros are bad. Eating a balanced diet with an understanding of your total daily energy expenditure (TDEE) is the healthiest way to eat and the most sustainable way to lose weight long-term.